Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for BC corporation loans. First, let's understand eligibility. Your corporation needs to be registered and actively operating in British Columbia. Lenders typically look for a robust business plan and strong financial projections. Some programs also focus on specific industries or businesses that demonstrate a positive community impact. Knowing these initial requirements is key to a successful start. Next, preparing your documents is crucial. You'll need a comprehensive business plan, complete with market analysis and operational details. Gather your financial statements, typically for the past 3 to 5 years, along with accurate cash flow projections. Don't forget to include personal and corporate tax returns, plus all necessary legal registration documents. A well-organized application makes a strong impression. Now, let's find the right loan program for your corporation. British Columbia offers various government-backed and private lending options. Explore programs from organizations like Small Business BC or the Business Development Bank of Canada. Carefully compare interest rates, repayment terms, and any collateral requirements. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor or a local business development center can also provide invaluable insights. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Ensure your complete package is sent through the lender's specified portal. Be ready for potential interviews or requests for additional information to clarify details. If you haven't heard back within 2 weeks, a polite follow-up is appropriate. Maintaining clear and consistent communication with your loan officer throughout the entire process is essential for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.